how to message yourself on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to a page where you can view the chat list. From this page, you need to tap on the plus icon on the top right corner. You will then see a list of people that are on WhatsApp, including your name. Tap over your account and you can see it will take you to the chat inbox. Here, you can send messages or photos or any documents, and you are the only one who can see these messages. Most of the people use this feature to save their messages as notes and sometimes important documents in this chat. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can go ahead and message yourself on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.